see. On a 2 like 2 more people have to come out, 4 more people before me believe. Me don't believe. Me can't believe see this a wicked over there me have up in my phone all along. Listen. So Chucky wife for me, see. Never hear from 2. Me not move till you tell me the truth. Or the 2 wicked and lie. On the 2 lie. So all along me have the culprit in the phone. That's why she bad so. Only that somebody else have to tell me this. So this a Chucky I really messy. Chucky wife I really messy. Nah man, on a 2 wicked and lie. On a stop. Somebody have to come back and come identify this. Me have to wait till somebody else come. Portland people come to the front and the line. Is this Chucky wife Macy? On the 2 lie. I make all the wicked son lie so. I really Chucky wife Macy on the 2 lie. Me not believe you know. I want person alone me hear say that. No, sir. So she bad and bold, sir. I threaten people. You definitely say them people are wicked somebody then. If I really true, that means this woman is one wicked piece of serpent. A good thing be send you up in the people them office, man. You're a wicked serpent if I true for you. I really big sour hog. I really you. Don't 2 lie. Now, sir, as she tried to be, I'm say me take everything what me take down. Me all have a video with her too. She have a video. Yes. Listen, Portland people come identify Chucky wife here for me. Me need 1 more or 2 more Portland people. Come and confirm if this is really Chucky wife. Missy, come on. Look at Chucky wife here. Listen, what a woman. What a woman look like Chucky wife. Wanna see why Crystal not there with me no more? Eh? That's to say a Chucky wife this. And Chucky wife the evil than Chucky. Wanna see? As she come out, come threaten me now, Chucky wife. Chucky wife says she a bad girl. I mean I know who me I deal with. Me don't know who me I deal with. Chucky wife. And you come tell me if I really Crystal grandmother this. May I ask you now? Somebody please identify this witch up on the phone. Can we not take it down till we get somebody person run and tell me now. We need 1 more person to come identify her. Me not run with one. Me if I have all 3 or 4 more people come see her she. Me not just run with her so. Yeah man, as she threaten me up big time. If she can threaten me and she don't know me, imagine Crystal will live at the yard. So everything what Crystal said wasn't lie then. Everything what the baby said was true and true. Somebody said the grandmother this will threaten me. Guys, put a disclaimer out already, you know, I'm not certain. But somebody say she. But we need to have more people come up and confirm it. If a Chucky wife this. Macy. Big sour Macy this. Portland people no come out. Don't be scared. Cause she a bad girl who don't scared. Remember say I be straight down the only she straight you know. And remember say a Crystal them beat. And do what them for the two you know. I can't believe so they have the woman in my phone for the longest time. I can't believe this. Yahuwah, you can't believe this. Yahuwah. All along me, I think say, I probably, in my mind, I know say it's a family. But me never think say I would have the grandmother this bare face. So she bare face. I want little serpent if I the grandmother for true. I want bare face piece of demons, this you know. You want really old serpent for you, you know. You really bare face, man. Chucky wife, you really bare face. You really look like you bare face. Yeah man, this is a pure Chucky wife, this. No, sir, Yahuwah. I can't believe. Somebody say she, me don't know. People, me can't come off of this to find out if I really Chucky this. This is mercy. Me can't believe, man. So should be a face. And so should be a face. You know, so say, I this on say go to church every Sunday. Pastor of Portland, where you are preached to this serpent, yeah. And this dirty gangster woman, yeah. Where the big dirty nasty bad word and the dirty word they will come out of fear mouth. They gonna put out the message we're gonna say. The dirty nastiness where the woman come talk to me. The woman come with some. This woman you go to church every Sunday and I speak in tongues. Blood clots, every language. Also because I'm a big dirty one. Down to backside. Serving with the word that's come out of me, but we can't believe. And this woman at church every Sunday are speaking at tongues. And this woman who say with all of the dirty, nasty word. You see me tell you about the dirty serpent Christian them? You know, scrap. This who say I go church every Sunday. Somebody say she go church every Sunday. This with this dirty, nasty mouth here. No, sir. Let me get you a fireman. Let me go send you up with Macy there. You understand? Let me send you right where Macy there. You understand? And Macy over here talk about things over YouTube. Somebody send Macy over YouTube. Me block you, Macy. Go back to your church, man. Me tell you something, I don't want to go in the church that we're going on. Me send you right back to your church, man. Go and go speak in that tongues and the words that you have out of your mouth are said to me. All them big, dirty, nasty, bad word and nasty word them. Where you are sent to me and the threat. And then me I go church and I wear the longest dress. And go church and I speak in the tongues. And them people have a prayer over them. And I touch Listen, if you stop make people touch and about them I pray over I speak in the tongues. A straight up serpent. Some of them is a straight up demons them is Yeah, run over by YouTube and come running them out. Wanna take me afraid that a straight up serpent. That's why Crystal not there no more. You understand? If you cannot talk them words and say you are going to church. So the people them say every Sunday you get up and go to church. Listen, that's why Crystal not there no more called the serpent in you and the seven devil and the seven demons. That's why you probably them say you sit up there and that's true it look like. Tell your people we are going to church if I really she. May I tell you about the people that want to have about pray for and put hand on some of you take up demons, some of them take up them seven demons, seven devil. consecrate to the one olive oil. Una go pray for me, pray for me, pray for me, pray for me. Some of them are serpents. Them are speaking all kind of tongues. You don't know if a devil them are speak to or drunk. Because this a woman, if a she take up herself every day and go church, and the dirty nasty word and the threatening message. May I wonder if your pastor, your church sister, they will listen to me. You forget kick out of church is all serpents and all demons. If I really you. All the pastors in a church can't discern for Satan. It's a really Satan, yes sir. Now sir, Lucifer sister. The word them the woman send me the night. Therefore get up the early morning, go deal with it. Therefore get up the early morning and say me don't know who she is or what she will do. The old serpent, yeah. If I really you woman, people if you start pray for yourself. Stop go to church, go make anybody touch uno. They will live worse than no for uno. Worse than no for uno. Them use church as them cover up. Me hear a church sister say yesterday, if you want to know where witchcraft walk, you go to church. And she said she go to church. A church, the most wickedness happen in her. And she a Christian, I say that. Me just can't come to. Me can't come to, so she might send her next fake messenger tonight. Cause she all gangster. But me want them come. Maybe just bring them, go put them down. Yeah. Paper trace. You always need that. Yeah. You don't take nothing simple in at this time. Everything for take serious. Everything. Anything anybody do to you, you have to take it serious and move towards it. Yeah? If them did take Crystal serious, Crystal would have been here with us today. But nobody take her serious. And see what the serpent them do to her. Them unalive her. You know see? She's no longer here with us. Crystal is gone to Shut Eye Country, just like Jaden Smith. With all these evidence that's out here for Crystal, there still ain't no arrest. There still ain't no arrest. And Crystal did not accidentally drown. Somebody drowned Crystal. Crystal was not accidentally drowned. Somebody drowned her and somebody placed her body right at the river. All of the message that Crystal sent to her mother, it lead back to Crystal unalive. Crystal was going through hell at that house. Imagine somebody licking with them piss pot full of piss. Tell me if that's not a sign of abuse. Tell me if that's not a sign of abuse. The worst kind of abuse. Somebody use their waist and throw it by you and lick you with the pot. Tell me if that's an abuse. That's an abuse to a whole different level. The piss could have burned up our skin. You understand? You know how ranking, thinking piss smell? And when you beard off, how much time you still stink of piss. That for show you how them think low of them granddaughter. And she was a part of everything. If a she, I may say, what happened to Crystal? If a she. Because what? Let me tell you something. She can't come and say if you take down her picture. I don't have to take down her picture. She come to me. I never know her. As she come in my inbox with threat. She come in my inbox. I never go in her inbox. I never even know so she exists. And I let me walk and go look for her. As she come over me. You understand? And come give me her tongue. Because she thinks Miss Crystal, a child who don't know how to defend myself. And how to deal with the law. Because Crystal never have nobody to help her. But I know how to help myself. That's one thing. And if you come on my yard, I can help myself too. And you come here, you have the police right next door over there so too. We always a walk looking at everybody's business. Sometimes him nosy, yes. But at the end of the day, it's good to have him right next to you. Yes. Yes. And him know me do social media. He knows. And he knows what kind of thing me do over here. You understand? And over here so is America where you protect yourself at all time. Stand your grounds. That's right. Yeah. But at the end of the day, this lady come out and threaten and all the word that she come out of her mouth. When she say a walking serpent this. You understand? I'm not for 100% certain if I'm the grandmother, but it's one of the family. Because she come out and threaten me. I'm one of the family. But if this is the grandmother and she go to church, every Sunday I speak in her tongue. Listen, for her tongue she talk to Satan himself. She and Satan have a communication. She and to the words that will come out of this woman mouth, yeah. This woman, man, a serpent mama. Serpent mama. See how her face look like will come out of her mouth? The words that will come out of the woman's mouth and the face look alike. That's why you see some people look like this, you know. You can see wickedness from the woman when you look at her, you know. The woman look like a bullfrog in one. She look like Chucky wife. She look like dinosaur. She look like alligator. The woman look like everything than a human being. The woman look awful and cranny. You can see serpent or she have on the red lipstick and the red lipstick look like a bullfrog with red lipstick. A crocodile. Look how the woman face look. Eh? No, sir. You can definitely see the serpent all over this woman. This is a really serpent, no fineness, no refineness. This woman does look like a serpent itself. You understand? So where you see Satan wife, it look just like Satan wife. People can't be there. Listen, people. Back up, go. People, listen. Listen, people. It's not a joking thing. Guys, you know, we really want justice for these kids. We want justice for Jaden and we want justice for Crystal. We really want justice. And a stranger hurt these two kids and them family member. Family do this to these two kids. Family. And we not stop fight till we get justice. Guys, this is where I'm going to end it tonight. This is where I'm going to end it tonight, guys. Maybe I'll come on tomorrow night. Maybe not. But Wednesday for sure I will be on. Thursday for sure I will be on, but not all day. Because I have to work Thursday. Guys, I want everybody to have a blessed night. I want to call it a night. I'm not, I just feel real little tired. I want to go on my bed earlier tonight so I can be at the people work early tomorrow. So everybody have a blessed night. Guys, one love, one heart. Bye tomorrow, me soon, alright? Cool. Tired tonight.